Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could enable or turn on or use the on-screen keyboard in Windows. So if your physical keyboard is not working, just click on the Windows sign in your taskbar, the so-called start, and try to locate your settings. Once done, on the left panel, go to accessibility and click on it. Scroll to the bottom and there you will see the keyboard option. As you can see, it's the one before the last two. Click on it. Under on-screen keyboard access keys and print screen, you will see on-screen keyboard. Click turn on to enable it, and you should be able to use it. Click anywhere and start typing with the keyboard, as you can see, using just the mouse. If you would like to close it, just click on it to close, or just click off so that it turns off. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.